Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Being a health freak, I keep researching the food that helps me to stay fit. So, that's what today I have come up with interesting health ingredients. Nut butter for your healthy diet. So, we'll talk about how to make nut butter at home, and the best appliance to make nut butter. When it comes to nuts, our minds strike towards healthy fat. Having nuts on daily basis is the best initiative you can take for your health. As you can see, there are 7 best food processor for making nut butter which can easily help you in your home. I will put the link of this article in the description of the video. Go there, explore, and then buy your favorite one and enjoy healthy nut butter. Till next video, take care guys.